Save yourself a trip to the doctor and learn how to diagnose your own back pain with these 3 tests. Test number 1, lean all the way back and now lean side to side. If you feel pinching pain in the back or even in the glutes, that is positive for joint pain. If you feel radiating pain that goes all the way down to the foot, that's positive for sciatica from stenosis. Test number 2, side bend. Stand up, put your feet together, lean all the way left and right. Now go left. If you feel pain or tightness in the right flank area of your back, that is positive for muscle pain. Test number 3, sit, bring your leg up as far as you can, pull your toes to your head and crunch forward. If you feel radiating pain down the leg past the knee to the foot, that is positive for sciatica from a disc herniation. If you tested positive for any one of these, you need to fix your shit. Get in our back and core program inside of our membership. Everything's there for you to realign, to re-strengthen your back and your core so those tests are negative and you can just live pain-free. Go.